Hi, this is Foggy Flush on a beautiful Sunday, and the reconstruction zone is here, and there is a little waterfall. I will go around and check. Now the benches, a girl on a bicycle, the luxury townhouses, and these are the new trees. You may remember they felled the old trees, and these are the new trees. There should be an opening in the little fence. The fence is also new. There's no opening, but I will go there illegally, and there is the staircase. And there are some duckies. Hello, duckies. How do you do? Ha! Happy duckies. And some tourists on bicycles. And where is the sun? Such a powerful sun. There is the sign where everything is prohibited. And you asked me, is it a really dangerous site here? No, not at all. It is just a construction site, and they are rebuilding the canal zone here. There are the boats in the water with the machinery. Yeehaw! Hooray for the swan! And there are all the boats. A reconstruction of this canal zone. You see, on this side the construction is already complete, and on the other side they have still a lot of work to do. I think it looks quite nice, and some tourists on bicycles. Hello, duckies. What are you up to? Oh, and there comes a sheep. On a Sunday, I thought it is prohibited to use the waterways on a Sunday. And look, there's a car on the ship. The captain's car. I will pursue it. There's the ship, and haha! Look, there's the captain's car on top of the ship. Ha ha ha! And an African girl jogging, and a white guy doing the jogging. And this is the same location seen from the other side. There is a little waterfall. The little waterfall, I'm sorry my zoom is not stronger. And more tourists on bicycles. And a bridge. Oh, and there are the duckies resting under the bridge. Can you see them? Some swimming and some sleeping. So they swam all the way from there. Hello, duckies. What are you up to? To here. And some graffiti under the bridge. What does it read? Drag. brine. Nordhafenbrücke, Northern Harbor Bridge. Because this whole area is called the Northern Harbor. It was a harbor some time ago. It is no longer used as a harbor, but it has still the name. And there is, I think, a seagull. Can you see it? Resting on the pole. Oh, and there is tree number 5838. A beautiful old tree at the Northern Harbor. And what is this? Some joker has turned around the tree number. It is 1510, but it's upside down. And there is a little house for the birdies. Can you see it? $5,847. It's a camouflage tree. I hope the tree is not sick and the colors are normal. And there is a little walkway, barely legal, but I will take it for you. So I can jump right into the water. I won't do it, but I could. No fence to stop me. There is the water. This canal leads all the way from Berlin Central Station to Tegel Airport. There are the tourists on a tourist boat, and I am standing here on the illegal stop point. I think I will go away because you see, verboten. Let's escape. So I'm in safe distance again, and there are the tourists on their tourist boat coming from the north, from Tegel Airport, and going to the south to Berlin Central Station. A beautiful day for a river trip. They are laughing. They have a happy day. It's a little bit suspicious to me. And there are the duckies. And some birdies having a picnic.
And these parts of the canal zone are still under construction. They say it will be complete, I think, in October. Now it is August, so we will have to wait until the entire river walk will be open to the public again. There is a bench in original wrapping and some, whatever it is, a sand heap, some stone heaps, and I think they will make a new walkway there. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Oh, what kind of a place is this? You're free to pee, but not smoke more than 10 cigarettes at once.